Alright, just a quick video for recap for today. Turned the car over and got the rear end on. And then for the subframe, did the brakes. So got the front brake line on, and then got the flex tubing on both sides. And then, of course, the brake line is in. And then the front shocks are on. And that's it. This was a pain in our rear. No pun not intended. Rear end's in. Nothing's tightened down totally, but it's nice and snug. And then I'll do torque specs later. And then down there. So rear end is in. Some minor stuff to do, whether or not. That's it.